Guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. In this the puzzle page of Saturday, August the 5th, 2023, and I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. So three puzzles are left. The tectonic, one of these binary puzzle, and you are interested in the Killer Sudoku. Yes, the Killer Sudoku. Let me position the camera first. Alright, the Killer Sudoku. Number 6871. And we have here two given numbers. Yes, 6871. The given number 7 in this triple box of 17. That means that those two boxes together should be a 10. We have a given number 8 in this triple box of 16. That means that those two boxes together should be an 8. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Alright, for Sudoku Killer or Killer Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. If you compare with the 1-star, 2-stars, 3-stars, and the 4-star Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 3-star puzzle. Alright, we will see if this is really a 3-star puzzle. So let's get started. And my first strategy is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. I'm looking for a big square with one sharing box. This one has one sharing box. This one has also one sharing box. This one is complete. If you count all these numbers, you will have the total sum of 45. The total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a row is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. Alright, this big square we have 3 sharing boxes. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one has 3. This one is complete. This one has 1, and this one has also 1. Alright, let me start with this one. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So 10 plus 12 is 22. 22 plus 11 is 33. 33 plus 5 is equal to 38. So 45 minus 38 is a 7. Yeah, this is 7. That means in the box of 8, the combination here will be 7 plus 1. Okay, we go to this big square. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So 11 plus 3 is 14. Double 14 is 28. 28 plus 8 is 36. So 45 minus 36 is a 9. In the box of 14, the combination here will be 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. Alright. This row is complete. This row is also complete. This row is also complete. Okay. My next strategy is to look for boxes with only one combination. One combination, let me check. For one combination, will be difficult. Box of 16, only one combination. 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7. Well, the box of 17, 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8. Only one combination. The box of 3, only one combination. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Okay. Well, my next strategy is to look for boxes with two combinations. Two combinations. For example, in this big square, we have the box of 14. There are two combinations for the box of 14. 9 plus 5 and 6 plus 8. Well, the 9 is already used in this big square, so one option is left. 6 plus 8, 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. Okay, one of the missing number in this big square is number 4. I cannot place the 4 in the box of 8, otherwise I need another 4. So it should be in the box of 11. Combination will be 4 plus 7, 4 plus 7. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 and the 2, 3 is missing, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Let me mark those. 3 and a 5, okay. Well, in this big square, one of the missing number is the 7. Well, I cannot place the 7 in the box of 5. We have 2 boxes of the box of 5, so it should be in the box of 13. Combination will be 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 6 goes there. Alright. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 5. Well, I cannot place the 5 in the box of 10. Combination will be double 5. Double 5 is not allowed. Here we have also a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. And I cannot place the 5 in one of these 2 boxes. These 2 boxes together should be also a 10. So it should be here in the box of 9. Combination will be 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. We have a 4 in the last row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. The 5 goes there. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 now. In the last row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Alright. Okay. 1 and 2. We have a 4 in this row, last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. In the box of 5, the combination will be 4 plus 1. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1 and the 2 is missing, 2 and the 3. We have 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 2 goes there. 6 and 8, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 8 goes there. 1 box left in the last row for number 1 is missing. These 2 boxes together should be a 10. So 1 plus 9 is equal to 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. 1 box left in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. In the box of 10, the combination will be 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 3 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Okay. Well, we have here the box of 5. The 2 combination for the box of 5. Told you earlier. 1 plus 4 and 2 plus 3 are the options. Well, we have a 1 in this row, so I cannot place the 1 and the 4 there. So it should be 2 and a 3. 2 and 3. Let me mark those. One of the missing number in this big square is number 1. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 11 or in the box of 12. Otherwise, the combination here will be 1 plus 10. 10 is not allowed. Here, also 1 plus 11. 11 is not allowed. Because the highest number I can use is the number 9. So it should be in the box of 10. Combination will be 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. Alright, so one of the missing number in this big square is number 4. Well, I cannot place the 4 in the box of 11, otherwise the combination will be 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7. The 7 is already used in this big square. So the 4 should be in the box of 12. Combination 4 and 8. 4 and 8. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 and the 3, 4, 5 is missing, 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. So we need a 9 here, 1, 2, we need a 3 here. 7, 7. Well, in this big square, we need a 7. I see a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. I see a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 7 in those 3 boxes. And I cannot place the 7 in the box of 14, otherwise I need another 7. Double 7 is not allowed, so it should be in the box of 8. Combination here will be 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. And now 3, 6, 2. We have an 8 in this column. Third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. I cannot place the 8 in a box of 7, of course, so it should be in a box of 14. So here should be the 8. Combination here will be 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. 3 and a 6. We have a 6 now in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 now in the second column. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this second column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. In a box of 7, the combination will be 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Alright, 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, 9 is missing. 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 9. 4, 7, 3, and 8. I'm thinking. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 7 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Let me mark those. Well, in this big square, we have 2 boxes of 8. And also, these 2 boxes should be also an 8. And one of the missing number in this big square is number 4. I cannot place a 4 in the box of 8, otherwise I need another 4. Double 4 is not allowed. Should be in the box of 13. Combination will be 4 and the 9. 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. Let me mark those. Alright. 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8. So 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, 7 and 8 is missing, 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8. Well, I cannot place the 8 in the box of 8. We have 2 boxes of 8. Otherwise, the combination will be 8 plus 0. 0 is not allowed. Lowest number I can use is the number 1. So the only place left for the 8 should be here. In the box of 12. The combination here will be 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. So 2 numbers left here. The 5 and the 6. 5 and the 6. Okay. 5 and the 6. Need to wait. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. Well, I cannot place the 6 in the box of 12, of course. Otherwise, I need another 6. Double 6 is not allowed. So, it should be in the box of 8. Combination will be 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. So, 1 digit left now in this row for number 5, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. In the box of 8, the combination will be 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Okay. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We have a 6 in the last column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 should be in one of these 2 boxes. So the combination will be 6 plus 2 plus 8 is equal to 16. 6 and a 2, 6 and a 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 1 and a 7. 1 and a 7, let me mark those. Alright. 6 and a 5, we have a 6 now in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 5 goes there. Alright, so 1, 7, 9, 9 and 7. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 7. Well, here can be 7 because we have 7 in this column, no 7 there. Here can be 7 because we have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 in this row should be there. So, in the box of 8, the combination will be 1 plus 7. Okay, now we have a 1 there, so this box give me 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, this box should be a 9. 1 box left in this row for number, I believe the 9. Yeah, 9 in this row, 9 in one of those two boxes in the third row. So the row between, the only place left for the 9 should be in the box of 12. The combination will be 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 7 goes there. 9 and 7, we have a 7 now in this column, last column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 9 goes there. 9 and a 4, we have a 9 now in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright. 2 and a 1, we have a 1 now in the last column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. So 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Well, I cannot place the 5 in the box of 5, of course. Otherwise, the combination will be 5 plus 0. 0 is not allowed. The lowest number I can use is the number 1. So the 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. In the box of 5, the combination will be 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. In the box of 9, the combination here will be 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Alright. 9 and 8. We have a 9 now in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. Wow. What a puzzle. Look. 3 missing numbers here. Also 3 missing numbers. And I have no numbers in this center block. Well, I've marked those two boxes with a 7. We have a 7 now in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright. So, we have a 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. But we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. In the box of 11, the combination will be 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Well, I've marked those two boxes with a 3 and 8. We have a 3 now, so this box should be an 8, and that box should be a 3. These 3 numbers, the total sum of these 3 boxes should be 15. It's a triple box of 15. 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 plus 4 is equal to 15. So 2 numbers left now in this row. For numbers 1 is missing, 1 and a 6. 1 and a 6 is missing. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Here also 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7 and 8 is missing. 6 plus 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 6 goes there. 3 plus 6 is 9, 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. 1 and a 6, we have a 6 now in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 9 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well. So, I'm faster than the predicted time limit. Let me give this a 2 stars. Yeah. Let me double check here. These 5 numbers should be total of 26. 1 plus 9 is 10. 5 plus 7 is 12. So 22 plus 4 is equal to 26. Correct? Alright. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other two puzzles, the binary puzzle and the tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.